After downloading Workplace Sim, click through to select from the various industry sectors. Our generic office sector has been unlocked. Click on this to see the available lessons which are applicable to the majority of companies or organisations. Select Hazard Management, which is our demonstration lesson. Choose your avatar and enter your password. Workplace Sim may take about 30 seconds to load, after which you'll go straight into your simulated workplace environment and be given your specific quests. The main menu icon is at the bottom right of your screen. Clicking on this will pause the game and give you some basic options. How to play shows you all the icons that will appear and help you progress through the lessons. The journal is where you'll find information that you've gathered while going through the lessons. The hint icon will appear wherever you might need some guidance, and the map icon will show you where you are or where you need to be in your simulated workplace. Click on the speech bubbles to talk to your workmates. Each new person you meet will be added to your journal, where you can learn more about them. Click on the map view to see where you are. Click on any part of your workplace to move there. The red circle shows you who you need to speak to or where you need to go to complete your next quest. Wherever you are, use your mouse or finger to look around for items that may help you control some hazards later in the game. Each item earns you 5 points and is added to your journal. New people you meet will also be added to your journal. Click on the map view to see where to go. You'll be asked many different types of questions throughout the lesson. If you need help, click on the hint icon. Getting the question right first time will give you the maximum of 20 points. Terminology or acronyms will be added to the glossary in your journal to help answer questions throughout the lesson. You can also use the white arrows to move around. Spot obvious hazards and use items that you've collected to control them. Remember, we can create any workplace environment and lessons for your specific business or learning outcome.